delay for 1 hour, and then we missed the flight from Doha to Kuala Lumpur. So then there's no more flight in the evening. So we have to wait for another day. So they changed for us to yesterday. So we managed to reach today. We just reached this morning only. KLIA. So it's actually really it's a nightmare. So this trip also we don't enjoy it. Luckily, my niece is staying in UK. Otherwise, they don't refund one. They won't refund because so therefore I think we have after coming back now. So these few days we try to ask for refund. So even though we message them through email, they also don't reply. So it's really terrible. Okay. Yeah, you still Sinway thought I'm still stuck in UK. No choice. So we have to come back, even though we have to spend 16,000 for the additional 16,000 ringgit for the fare. So we have to, that's why even though we also afraid now, if we don't change it, if we wait for 11th of August, later they go and change again, they cancel again, then don't know when we will be back. Okay, so so after all, I think that's all. Yeah, this is really a nightmare, right? Really a nightmare. So anyway, teacher is back already. Yeah. Okay, now how's your exam? How's your exam? How's your result? You got the result? Your result already or not? Those who got result, can you type your result for me? Any one of you get got not yet. Ji Xuan say not yet get. Anyone got the result? Your result already? Yeah, still not yet. Okay. Yeah, Kersin good. Okay. Yeah, Kersin get 83. Okay, good. Wow, Jumping. Jumping also very good. 91. Yeah. Okay, Yamping 75, good. Yeah, this is the first exam, first exam. So normally if you can get 75, you can get 91, you can get 83, you consider very good already. Okay, because you're from Form 3 to Form 4, and this is maths, not mathematics, right? Yeah, maths. So it's a good, very good already. So the rest, not yet. Or not doing very well, don't tell teacher, right? Okay. Anyway, so you have to work hard. Actually, for mathematics and additional mathematics, you have to do the exercise. So if those students that don't do exercises, sure you won't. Mathematics, if you say you don't do exercises, still sometimes you still can get a good result. But at maths, if you don't do exercise, so I'm sure that even though you know how to do, but you don't have enough time to finish your paper. Okay, so you have to practice. Okay, so of course, sometimes students always give excuses. Oh, I got no time to do. I got no time to do. I can't finish it. I got a lot of homework. That is, you have to plan yourself. Plan yourself. Because other students can do it. Why not you? You can't. Why you can't do it? Right? Right now. Okay, and your school already teach until which chapter already? Chapter 4 finish already now. Oh, chapter 5 already, right? So we have to be fast idea. Not to say fast, of course, even though if there's a teacher go very fast, you can't understand, also no point, right? Because not finished chapter 5 already. Geometry progression, right? CY, say chapter 5 geometry progression. Okay, so the chapter 4 one, okay or not? Can solve or not? Logarithm. So since your school already, until chapter 5 already, so chapter 4, we go through chapter 4. See, we can finish. So students say we stop at what? 17, right? Okay. 4.3, example 17. Kind of. Okay, then we go through 17. Is it we stop at 17? Correct? Kind of. Just now students say, yeah, 17, is it correct? So the rest of the example, did you all finish already or not? Know how to do? No reply one, at least you reply lah. You say, haven't done, yeah, or don't know how to do. Okay. Don't know, okay, never mind. So we go through, so I think this one we just go through lah. All this we try to. So if you think you already know, then maybe you try the rest. So those haven't tried one, you don't do. So example 18, right? So given log x of base pi is p and log y of base pi is q, express this in terms of p and q. Okay, so just apply the what law of logarithm. So that means we just change this one to what? Log x power 4 of base pi, right? Divide is actually minus, right? Minus log pi square root of y of base pi, right? Okay, then this 4 we can bring down, right? Correct? This 4 bring down, so become 4 log come on, the log x of base pi minus this one is times, right? Multiply, multiply. So we can change it to log pi of base pi plus, right? Times is plus, plus log square root of y of base pi. But square root of y is actually what? Y power of half, right? Of base pi. Okay. Yeah. Then this half become coefficient, right? But be careful, this minus here, right? So this minus is actually minus what? Minus the whole thing, so you have to put bracket here. Correct? So that means this one become log x of base pi. See, it's actually log x of base pi is p. So this one will become 4p minus, okay, log pi of base pi is 1, right? Okay, then plus this one go down, right? So the coefficient, the power become coefficient, become half. Okay, log y, this one go down, become log y of base pi, right? Log y of base pi. Okay, so you just sub in, so this one become 4p, okay, minus, open up bracket, minus 1, minus half, log y of base pi is actually p, right? Log y of base pi is, sorry, is q, so minus q. Okay, can not? Can? 18, okay or not? Can, yeah. Okay, so then we go to example 19. Okay, so example 19 also same, right? Okay, so we go example 19. Example 19. So given this, so that means A is what? A is